Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be making banga soup. So I'm gonna be using palm nut concentrate since I don't have the palm fruit. So pour the concentrate into a pot and add water enough to mix it up. And if you're new to this page, please hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bar to get notifications. So just mix the palm nut concentrate with water till it's all melted. You want to get it melted completely. Advisable, you can use warm water as well. So I'm gonna be adding the banga spices right now. I'll be using 3 spices, so just drizzle the spices over the concentrate one after the other. I'm also gonna be adding onions, chopped onions, and I'm also gonna be adding scotch bonnet peppers. I'll also be adding dried pepper to give it very nice pepperish taste. And after that, I'll take it to the fire, allow it to boil for some time. So I'll be using fish for this recipe. So after cleaning and washing the fish, I'm just gonna pour hot water all over the fish. That way the fish comes out really thick and firm. It doesn't break inside the food when it's cooking. So just pour hot water all over the fish, and when you're done, you can pour out the water and rinse it with warm water and keep. So right now I'm gonna be adding the fish. Since the soup is boiling, I'm just gonna put them one after the other. Be careful while putting them because you don't want them to break, so just put them in different sections of the pot. Just put them inside the soup one after the other. So now I'll be adding stock cube, and I'm also going to be adding salt to taste. Make sure you taste it, not put too much salt. And right now this is how it looks like. You cook it for a long time to make sure it comes out looking thick. If you want to take consistency or water consistency, anyone you want. Thank you for watching. I hope you try it. Thank you.